my god. Is that the Moai monk? Oh my god! It's been a while, hasn't it? No worries. I have a new game to play. This is another monkey game. As you can see, it's another monkey game. Of course. That's the only thing I have. I mean, Rec Room's shutting down. It's crazy. Anyway, I guess we're showing I guess I gotta make a name first, maybe. That's probably it. What am I doing? Let me snap that. YYYAAAAYY Monk. Moink. Yeah, that's probably fine. Yeah, okay, can I show in the public now? Did it work? Am I in the game now? Am I in the game? I have no idea. Holy shit. Seriously, you want me to do this alone? I'm not doing this alone.
Bro, do you want to find batteries with me?
Oh, who the hell? What? Oh, damn, flashlight? Dude, I'm just gonna scream if the monster comes. What is that? I heard my heartbeat.
Yeah. Bro, all I need is one battery.
Battery? Oh, a battery. Oh, okay, I get it now.
Where's the battery?
I'm no pussy. Is that a battery? What do I do with the battery? Oh my god. Come in! What the fuck? Holy shit, man. Okay, so like, now this goes into the square hole. Oh damn. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's been a while since I played one of these games. Claustrophobia really hitting me hard now. Ooh. Great. I love going back and forth to find batteries. Oh damn. You make sound? This point I'm breaking the battery. Let me in! No! There we go, yes. Yes! I need one more battery. What the fuck is that? What's that? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh! Fucking. Are you okay, man? Are you okay? You look like you got a scar there, man. I gotta go find the last battery, but I don't got the balls for it. What the fuck? Alright, I guess I gotta go find the last battery. Yo! Yo! Dude, I'm freaking out. Not like that. Let me in. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh fucking god! What the door? What? Yo, sup?
What?
Huh?
What, man?
Sup?
It was terrifying, don't go out there.
Yeah. The door will open if they're far away. Oh, you know, I'll follow them. Follow me. I'll follow him.
Here, man. If I die, I die, right? It doesn't restart my progress, does it? I hope not.
I'm in a building.
I'm gonna kill myself. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, macaroni. Oh my god!
You found the battery, I think.
I'm freaking out! I'm freaking out! Just get out of my bum bum! Battery!
Freaking
Stop! Get out of my goddamn bay!
Controller pointing at. What are you pointing
It's
at?
it's pointing at the exit, man. Oh my!
Why is your controller pointing
At the
Oh,
exit,
good.
man. My battery's over there. I gotta let it go. I can't. Let it. Where is my goddamn battery? There it is. Yes! I'm so good at this game. Yes!
Hey bro, what's up?
Next level! Final. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, let me in! Holy shit, man.
How did he even get me,
Is this
bro?
guy blind or something?
He's scared of me, bro. Yeah, he's scared of us. Yeah.
Hey, you. Guys,
Hey,
she'll
dude!
give a blow-
Oh,
she'll
good
give
thing
you
you
a
can't hear
blowjob.
us or voices. Is that monster blind or something? I think it is. Oh, no shit, my monk. He doesn't have any eyes. Did you not see that? What is that? Who is that? What is that? Oh man, I'm all alone. Oh man. Someone got mad. Okay, I thought it was a microwave. Need a flashlight. Is this like a way? There's nothing over here. Okay. How am I supposed to proceed to the next level if I can't see doo-doo? What you want? Bet. Bet, bro. I'll get something to help with that.
Green Daddy. Yo, you know the green one?
The green one.
Yo,
You know that ticket?
I got lost.
You know that ticket?
Where is this thingy? What am I even looking for?
If you give her $10, she'll give you a blowjob.
Arrow. I don't know what the hell this means. I don't know what this means. Do we need a card or something? Do you think that's the case?
no. No, yeah, press this. See?
Jesus fuck. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my fucking god. Why am I playing this game, dude? You see, like outside? Oh my god. Oh. This heartbeat is actually fucking hell. I've been in this scared since I don't know. Some game. He's here again. Is he? He's gonna walk by or something. Oh, there he is. Man, what the fuck is wrong with his legs? Oh my god, there's two! It's fucking great. Am I alone now? Am I alone? Oh my god. Holy shit, what the fuck was that?
Fuck, dude, you're crazy.
Oh my god! What am I even looking for? Something in here? so dead. I'm so dead.
Oh, I heard Bigfoot axe.
Dude. Oh my god, what the f-
What the heck? You seen him? Who died?
I just saw someone died, man. I'm hiding in here. Is there like no thing to collect? Is that the point? Just walking around. He's coming. I hear him.
He's right there. He's right there, bro.
Oh my god, dude, you gotta stay quiet, man.
Hey man.
Hey, man.
What am I even trying to look for? Am I like trying to look for a card? Oh shit. He's right there. He sounds like
Wait, why do they have
Is it?
legs and we
Yeah,
don't?
bro.
I can tell because my heartbeat is beating. Why not?
You was angry, dingus.
I hear footsteps. I hear footsteps.
we gotta hide.
That's too hard.
In here, bro. In here.
Okay, let's go in there.
I'm going.
We're in here.
Yes.
Clear.
Nothing here.
My name is Angry Dingus.
Hide in it. We're under.
Oh my god.
Right under.
Shh, right. Look.
Go. Oh, this guy's
And it's
snitching.
green.
This guy's snitching.
He went.
We gotta go.
He went over there.
Where?
I don't know, man,
He
somewhere.
went over there.
Okay, cool. Let me see. It's far away. There's two people, right? There's two.
Yeah, there's two. I figured out how the hard way.
Oh, what is that?
Wait a minute. I'm gonna hide from the way. Guys.
What?
What?
Guys, look.
Yo!
Oh, where did you do?
We're gonna hide in the light, bro.
Never mind, can't do that shit.
Dude, why the hell did my never mind, I'm fine actually. What's over here?
Run.
Run where, bro? We're going. Don't see anybody.
What are we trying to find?
My name is Emma.
I have no idea where I'm going.
What are we trying to find?
Bro,
Pretty sure it's blind.
Bro, if he's dead.
Where? Where did y'all go? Up.
I found.
Yeah, where are we just 4? Why are we 3?
I wish the flashlight could be added to the snap because it's too dark. But there's a light, but there's some dark reflection I can't see.
What are we trying to find?
I don't know.
Like this, for example. Even in that room.
What the hell is this?
We can hide in here though, can we? But it might find us because we're too big. But we're gonna hide in the room. And we all have kitty party. I'm talking.
Oh my god.
I see him. He's right there. He's right.
What was that?
Dude!
I saw the red one. Cool.
Clearly it is, because I never played it.
Credit card?
Yeah, a credit card. We gotta pay to.
let's- come
We
on,
gotta
let's go
pay to
find
go
it.
to the next level. What am I saying?
Dude, you move. You have like fade out the
Is he nearby? Is he nearby? Oh well, someone died. That's for sure. And I can't play this game alone. I'm freaking out. Get me out of here. Oh my god. Dude. Boy. Good question, Moimak. How do I get back to the start?
Go!
Yeah, see you later, alligator.
This angry bear.
When you say exit, did say exit, right? Yeah. I guess I'll end my video. Life forms, that's crazy. Alright, see you later, I guess. See you in another video, I don't know. When I will post another video. Probably like tomorrow or something. I don't know, man. Have a great day, I guess. Yeah. Goodbye, man.